The only thing I can see that might be a problem is the gear, the ratchet gear has got some play in it. You can see the ratchet gear, where is it? Here. So that's the ratchet gear, and it's got a key in it which goes into a slot on the lead screw. Now the lead screw isn't moving when I wobble it, so you can see the play in the ratchet gear. If I bring the slot round, right, here's the slot. Now there's a key between the little ratchet gear and the lead screw, and you can just see the play in the ratchet gear with no movement in the lead screw, and I think that's just preventing sometimes the thing biting, but it's getting there. I've stripped the entire thing down, polished everything up, it's all oiled, cleaned the lead screw, cleaned the pin for the lever, and there's your ratchet mechanism. So I've just got to clean up these bits. Well, that's it really, that's all I've got to do, so I'll do that tomorrow. Looks okay though. What drives that? Well, you know what drives that. It's these blocks. So this pin here and this pin here those two pins strike this as you pull the handle. So it seems to be fine, it just needed stripping, lubricating and polishing.